And you heard the officer there talking about how a storm comes in and it just kind of sits there.
Yeah.
Same thing happened in the Bahamas recently, and we've talked about how scary a situation that is and how much damage it can do.
And all the water rescues that they've had. Channel 12 in Beaumont had to evacuate their TV station.
Crazy, yeah.
And so you get a whole bunch of water in one place at one time. Some spots saw a foot of rain over one day. It's just crazy how much rain they've received there, and it's just sitting there. There's not a whole lot of movement to this storm at all. And the places that picked up the most rain here over the last 24 hours are places like Beaumont, Port Arthur, near Galveston. They've picked up a good amount of rain as well. The heaviest stuff in Houston, parts of Galveston fell yesterday, and they picked up anywhere from 4 to 5 inches of rain, but it's this black shaded area here. We're talking right on Beaumont, just north of Port Arthur, Liberty, the Woodlands, 10, 20, almost 30 inches of rain in some of these places. Just amazing stuff, and you saw all the visual evidence of all of that flooding. Crazy how much water can fall in just a very short amount of time. Around here, I wish we could see a little bit of rainfall. That would be nice. We haven't seen any of that in quite a while. Really, about half an inch of rain in Birmingham so far this month. We need a lot more than that. Right now in Sumiton, it's warming up. Temperatures in the upper 80s now, southeast breeze at 10, and that humidity is on the way down. The dew points are still pretty high over in West Alabama, but over in East Alabama, where we've seen some drier air filter in, it feels really nice out there. Temperatures mostly in the low to mid 80s, 84, a pretty popular number from Asheville to Birmingham, over to Talladega, 88, like we said, in Jasper. How about 78 in Hamilton? That's doing some stuff there. And you see the temperature change from yesterday, 5, 10 degrees below the numbers that we saw at this time yesterday. Yesterday, we were talking about approaching the upper 90s and close to 100 degrees for afternoon highs. That's not going to be anywhere close to where we'll be for today. The Futurecast showing some clouds around, kind of a mixed bag of clouds and some sun. I think we clear out, but hold on to a little bit of cloud cover overnight and the wind, and that's the only thing that's going to keep temperatures from dropping too far for tonight. The wind will stay up, and a little bit of cloud cover will keep temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s. Instead, the dew points tomorrow morning will be in the 40s. That's really low, and that would be a gauge of our low temperatures if we didn't have any wind or cloud cover. And tomorrow we stay dry. It's going to feel pretty nice, even though it will be a little warmer than average. I'll take the low dew points. Some clouds around tonight and cooler than we've been, that's for sure. Numbers in the low 60s and some upper 50s in our northern counties. Comfortable is what we'll call it on Friday. A little warmer on Saturday. Temperatures still in the 60s in the morning, but there you go. We're right back into the 90s on Sunday. The first day of fall on Monday. Yeah, I wish it would feel like it. We're in the 90s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday with small rain chances through midweek.